NVOS stock just rallied 39% and there's no news. Novo filed the Form 8K with the SEC on February 23, 2023, where it revealed that it had entered into a share purchase agreement SPA with Mast Hill Fund. So that's old news. This is not news that just came out. News does not move stocks, traders do. And that's why the stock that we called out 2 days ago, clnn, is now up 35%. We called out this stock at around 125. It went to 154 today on March 8th. So it's not so much about the news. The more you learn about stocks, the more you'll realize that it's actually about your ability to follow the right traders, to find the right channel, and also to do your own research the right way. And that's how you're going to make money. Most people cannot make money in the stock market because they don't understand how important it is to interpret news, not just receive news, but interpret it. You have to make sure that you're following the right traders, which is why we are growing so fast as a channel and where our community is just grew to 500 members in the Discord, because we know how to trade stocks. We know how to make money. We called out 21 short squeezes in the past 30 trading days. 21 short squeezes. Think about that for a second. SERA, AMC, TRKA. By the way, I predicted the TRKA dump and I helped a lot of traders get out of that stock before it went down to zero. Or not zero, but it went down to about 20 cents, which is 75% from its highs. And so I helped a lot of traders make money on TRKA stock, and I'm going to help you make money right now. If you haven't already liked the video, make sure to like it because it helps traders just like you make money. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps spread the word about how to trade these stocks and make a profit. NVOS, the healthcare stock. Here, Novo Integrated Sciences, together in subsidiaries, provides multidisciplinary primary healthcare related products and services. So this is a healthcare stock. Okay, it's a healthcare stock. It's also a penny stock. So it's trading at about 18 cents right now as of the publishing of this video on March 8th in the aftermarket at 4:34 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It has a 138 million market cap, $23,040,000 evaluation. So again, it's a penny stock. It's not a very highly valued stock, but it is a stock which is not a micro cap. There's a lot of volume in the stock. A lot of traders are trading NVOS. A lot of day traders are trading NVOS, and that shows in the pre-market as well, because in the pre-market, if there's not a lot of traders trading the stock, then you'll see that there's very scattered candlesticks. And we don't see that on NVOS stock, which shows that there are a lot of traders interested in trading NVOS stock and determining what price NVOS stock should trade at. Guys, if you're not already in the free Discord, that's where we call out short squeezes. So make sure that you join that. I'll leave a link in the description. Now, there's some kind of absorption going on with NVOS stock. And now I want to talk to you guys about absorption and what absorption is. So as you know, banks manipulate stocks. Okay, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know. If you came to our live session today, you know. Banks manipulate stocks in order to take your money. If you want to make money, you have to make sure you're not listening to banks or institutions, because they are designed to take your money to sell you their stock so that they can buy the stock when the stock is at a lower price. They want to dump stock on you, and that's why so many traders lose money in the stock market. So my job is to actually help you get that money back on stocks like TRKA, AMC, and Bed Bath & Beyond. The way I'm going to do that is by showing you stocks that are actually going to short squeeze, and NVOS stock is showing signs that it can do really well in the near future. It's not my top stock. I do have some top stocks, which I will reveal to you by the end of this video. So make sure to watch until the end. NVOS stock is right now absorbing shares. So this is what that means. So when the stock goes down and then it goes back up, those shares are basically absorbed. That means that a buyer has come in and bought shares at the bottom of this range when the stock went down, and it absorbed all of those shares. So essentially what the banks have done is they have dumped the stock on traders. Okay, they have pushed the stock price down so that it can hit the stop loss of traders like you and get you to lose money. Okay, this is one of their, and I am very attuned with their tactics, which is why I'm going to help you make your money back. So I know the kind of tricks that they use. This is one of them. They push the stock down temporarily, but then now look, it lifts back up, and now it's staying above a price level at about 18 cents. So you can see how the stock got pushed down, okay, to hit everybody's stop loss, and then it went back up, and now it's in this bubble here, in this range. Okay, I'm going to point the arrow to that range. That's the important range. This is the critical range. This is where we're going to decide whether NVOS is a good trade or not. NVOS can certainly rally quite a bit if it really starts taking off. And I'm going to show you the criteria for if NVOS will be a good trade or not. So we know NVOS has a $138 million market cap, has $23,040,000 evaluation, and we know that there's absorption going on. Roughly 77 million shares of NVOS stock were purchased today on March 8th. Okay, 77 million shares. And we know that because a majority of the buying pressure that occurred on NVOS stock today was buys. So there wasn't a lot of selling going on. There was actually a lot of buying going on for NVOS stock today. So despite the gap down, and despite the fact that the stock went down at some point, the stock actually came back up. That's a really good sign. It shows as something that looks like a small hammer, right? A hammer that's upright, and that is the pattern basically which you'll get when you get absorption. And so this is a really good bullish sign that NVOS can short squeeze in the near future. If you want more stocks that can short squeeze, make sure you join in the free Discord, because we are constantly calling out short squeezes before they happen. And we're not calling out 100 different stocks that can short squeeze either. We're focused on just a few stocks every single day. And most of those stocks short squeeze, and the ones that don't still have good rallies. Like they still go up 10%, which is huge. That's still $1,000 profit in one day. So roughly 77 million shares of NVOS were purchased today on March 8th. And we have support on NVOS stock. Institutional support. So institutional support is essentially a price level, okay? It's a certain price of the stock where hedge funds and banks and the people who move the market are buying this stock by the dozens, okay? They're buying plenty of NVOS at 15 cents. And that is like a protection to you. It acts like a shield, because when these institutions are buying a stock at a certain price level and you buy the stock at that price level, then it means that the stock is not likely to go below that price level. So you're not likely to lose money. This is one of the strategies that I teach my pro students in the Discord. So if you want to upgrade your trading, make sure to join the Pro Discord as well. I'll leave that link in the description. The institutional support at 15 cents means that if you can pick up this stock near 15 cents and the stock is still strong, then you can basically ride NVOS stock to 17 cents, 18 cents, and beyond. You can get a really good trade off of it. And at the very least, wherever you buy NVOS stock, you can expect it not to fall below 15 cents in the near future, so long as we don't get a huge gap down and bad news comes out for NVOS stock. In other words, you're in good shape so long as NVOS stock does not go below 15 cents, which means you should put a stop loss below 15 cents at about 14 cents or so. That's what I would do. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only, but you can certainly predict the stock and make sure to get out if the stock is not healthy by putting a stop loss at 14 cents. Now let's very quickly look at NVOS stock and how you can trade it. Remember, my friends, we have not yet gone over some banger stocks that I'm going to be trading tomorrow. So I'm going to give you some of those by the end of this video. But first, let's go over NVOS stock. So NVOS stock is currently trading at approximately 18 cents. If we can pick up this stock anywhere from 15 cents to 18 cents, then we'll be in pretty good shape, because again, we have that critical support level at 15 cents that's going to protect us from an NVOS dump. Additionally, if we hold on to the stock and swing trade it, which I don't like holding penny stocks overnight, you guys know that, but regardless, there's a few levels where you can think about selling your NVOS stock for profit, okay? And those price levels are 19 cents. We can sell NVOS at 19 cents. We can sell it at just below 21 cents, okay, because we have resistance there. So we want to make sure to get rid of NVOS before it gets to the 21 cent level. And then we have 25 cents as well. So we have 3 price targets for NVOS. If you're looking to hold NVOS for a major short squeeze, it is possible NVOS can come up to 28 cents. Now keep in mind, if you pick up NVOS at around 15 cents and the stock goes to 28 cents, you are essentially doubling your money. So it's exactly what you're looking for. If you're looking to make money, you can sell it at 28 cents. However, keep in mind that there's probabilities for each of these price targets. So there is an 85% chance that NVOS will come to 19 cents. There is a 65% chance that NVOS will come to 20 cents. There is a 30% chance that NVOS will come to 25 cents. And there is only a 10% chance that NVOS will come to 28 cents. So those are the probabilities. You want to make sure that you're playing the probabilities to your advantage. So most likely NVOS will come to 19 cents. We may even see that live in the stock market right now. Probably not though. We'll probably see that happen tomorrow. But what we will also see is that if NVOS comes to 20 cents, that's very likely to happen as well. So if you guys sell there, that's almost like a guaranteed trade. It's not the perfect trade because it doesn't have the best risk reward ratio, but it can be a really, really solid trade. If you guys want to make some money on NVOS and you want to trade it that way, be my guest. It's not guaranteed, but 65% chance is great odds. Now, I just want to share a few of the stocks that I'm trading so that you can make some money off of the stocks that I'm trading. We actually went over a stock on our live trading session today, which I want to disclose to you here. That stock is called ARLO. Now, ARLO stock is a very powerful technology stock, and this stock is actually a large cap stock, okay, mid to large cap stock, which is currently valued at around $5.25. A $5.25 stock, if it can come down to about $5, you can consider buying the stock and selling it at $5.27 and $5.47. There is an 88% chance that this trade will work for you. So make sure that you keep an eye on ARLO stock. It's one of my favorite stocks. And as you know, I've called out many short squeezes on this channel. So if you're looking to make more money in the stock market and you're tired of losing money on stocks like TRKA, Bed Bath & Beyond, and AMC, then you just found your stock trading coach. I am your stock trading coach. Join me in the free Discord down below, and I look forward to seeing you soon.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?